Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a lot of phones I picked up on eBay, if I remember right. So looks we're good to cut there. There we go. Oh yeah. Here we have an old Nokia on AT&T. Pretty dirty, pretty grimy. No power. AT&T Samsung phone. Samsung SGH A237. Looks like the battery's in decent shape. It's really disgusting as well. No power. Have a proprietary Samsung charger. Here is an AT&T Panasonic device. I definitely want to have a charger for this thing. Another proprietary Samsung charger. Samsung, I think I ordered this phone. This is pretty much the reason I ordered this a lot, if I remember right. SGH D357. Probably no power. Ordered it for this one too. Samsung SGH A777. Does have a battery. Had no power. It's in pretty decent shape though. A Nokia. I think I have one like this, to be honest. I think mine's on singular though. 3120B. Nokia and the Kyocera. Looks like a couple more chargers. Nokia, another proprietary Samsung charger. That'd be it. This is a Nokia 6010. And then a Kyocera. KXD-125. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.